Good morning, YouTube world. It is the day after we woke up a little bit later than usual, and we are now sitting down. We are going to grab some breakfast. We are at this place called Hollywood Cafe. Even though we're in San Fran, we're in Hollywood. Today I got the Vivian Lee breakfast, which is scrambled eggs, bacon, on top of grilled croissant, and a bowl of fresh fruit. I wasn't able to finish or say goodnight to you guys last night because after dinner we just went home and crashed. Went to the hotel room to rest. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone who came out to the Renegade Craft Fair because it meant a lot to me that you did. Like, you took your time to come out and see me, so thank you so much. And I realized that I really like seeing people look at my cars and just smile. So I hope to create more of those and that inspired me. So in many ways, Renegade Craft Fair was a good experience, and I hope to come back. Today we are going to go to the museum and kind of take it slow and then head out later in the evening. So I get to enjoy San Fran with this little one. After checkout, we went over to a coffee shop because checkout time was a little bit hectic. Not that it's not hard to do it, but I waited in the hotel room an extra 30 minutes or so to upload a video, and it said it was done, and then when it was processing it told me the upload failed. So I waited not just 30 minutes. We came back to the room early so that I could finish the video, put it up, and it didn't work out. And then getting out of the hotel was just a little extra stressful, so I was like, I need to treat myself to some good coffee. So we stopped by St. Frank Coffee in San Francisco. I'm having the almond macadamia nut latte, and Sunny had the honey lavender coffee, and I actually prefer the honey lavender, but either way they're both really good. If you like nutty flavors, then the macadamia nut was nice. And then we're here at the Academy of Science, and Sunny saw these beautiful flowers. I was like, you should take pictures of your cards with the flowers. So I did. And while Everest was napping, I did that, and he just got up and ran straight into the flowers. It's so cute.
It's really funny. So I was showing him how to, blow the little leaves off of this thing, and he puts it up to his mouth and like gets them stuck all over his lips.
Oh no!
All right, let's go.
We walk right in and there's a dinosaur. Dinosaur bones, that's right.
Hey, what do you see over there? What's that?
What is that? Stingray. Good job, buddy. Yeah, that's a starfish. Wow. Look at the stingray.
Hey, what does it say?
He's moving.
Everest, what do the frogs say?
What does the frog say?
Ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit.
The fruit. Look.
Is he moving around? I see another one over here too.
There.
Yeah, on the leaf.
This one.
We found a snake. Our little one loves snakes.
Oh, he's sleeping up there. Wake up, sleep.
What does the snake say?
What's it?
Good job.
What's a baby about this?
What?
It's eyes.
Yeah?
This is her fur. Look, see? Look, that's all the snake.
We're gonna go see the alligator now.
What? Yeah, it's an albino alligator. I'm gonna hold on to him real tight.
Yeah.
I don't want you to be alligator food. Oh.
you. Kill. So here's the anaconda. There's an example.
They have this set up so you can feel what it feels like to be squeezed by an anaconda. I'm scared to do this. I can't get my arm. I'm not kidding. I loved you guys. I'm gone. It does let your arm out, but it's scary. You gotta try it.
No.
Yes, try it. Just do it. Just do it.
Bad with little holes.
Just do it. Come on, try it. You have to try it.
I'm so scared.
Do it. It's not real.
No, that's what the kids do.
It's not real. You do it real quick. Come on.
I don't like it.
It's funny.
No.
Take your arm out.
I can't.
Kids just have no manner. I don't know.
There it is.
There he is. That's what we just got squeezed by.
An anaconda. You see Dory and Nemo? There's a lot of Dories. Hey you guys, so it is midnight and we just got in. The house was really hot. That's why I took off. Don't worry, I'm not naked. That's why I took off my top, but apparently in LA it was 90 some degrees today, and San Fran was actually beautiful today. It was 71 degrees, and it was just so nice. I don't think I've ever had like a warm San Francisco day, so it felt like a first time. But yeah, after the museum we just packed up and Everest passed out, so we were able to drive for a few hours. And then we stopped and grabbed food real quick, stretched our legs, got back in the car, and we finally made it right around midnight. So Everest is in bed, Sunny's getting ready for bed, and since I didn't get to finish last night's video, I wanted to say thank you for watching today, and hopefully San Francisco was just as fun for you as it was for us. Right now I'm going to try to upload the other day's vlog, and then I'm gonna try to edit as many vlogs as I can, but I am very tired, so if I do pass out, I apologize. I'm gonna try to do the best I can. But yeah, tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's actually gonna be very mellow. I have to do my taxes, so I don't know how much we'll show you, but we'll figure it out. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my Patreons. I see that there's more of you guys in there, and I appreciate you. I'll be updating you guys very soon with new things. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.